Watch this video right now if you need a show-stopping appetizer this holiday season. This recipe is so simple to throw together, and I made it for my holiday party this weekend, and everybody freaked out over it, begged me for the recipe, so I had to throw it together. I love the mixture of pecans, dates, and bacon all together in a sweet and salty sauce, poured over a mixture of goat cheese and cream cheese. The best creamy base, it's got a little salt added, nice and soft, and then you just pour it over, serve it with bread, crackers. We had it with some focaccia too at our party. Absolutely delicious.